that pepper. This.
You always want to eat breakfast.
You're silly. What do you want for breakfast? Are you hungry?
Bye, baby. Love you.
You go brush your teeth first and look in the mirror. Not in there. Let's get down. Oh, nope. I was actually using my glasses as a little tripod. Whoop. Hey, Ellie, do you want to wear this shirt or this shirt? Oh, you kissed the mouse. Okay, that one it is. These pants or these pants? Which one? The pink? Got a hair bow? Help mommy? Thank you, Ellie. Ellie. Where does this go? You want to put this one away? I think the plates go under. Yeah. It goes under the bowl. Can you put the bowl on top? Here, I'll hold that. Oh, thank you, Ellie. Oh. We're working on it. Guys, can you say hi? Can you say hi, Ellie? Hey guys, so I thought it would be fun to do a little vlog of a day in our life to show you kind of what our typical day is like. what activities I have Ellie do during the day to keep her stimulated. Today we're going to go to the grocery store this morning and do some shopping, and then I will also show you what the rest of our day is like and some fun activities that you can do at home and things that you can make at home. My arm is getting tired. So I've been learning more about Montessori at home, and I'm actually reading a really good book that I got from the library. Looks like Ellie is over here reading it. It's called Montessori from the Start, and it is very informative, very interesting. And so I've been trying to implement some of the things that I've been learning from the book and from other resources that I've been looking at, and just trying to get Ellie involved in practical life activities around the house, whether it's helping me with whatever I'm doing or whether it's doing things for herself. I just try to let her do whatever she can herself, and then I'll intervene where needed. So this vlog will also show how we're starting Montessori at home. Yeah. And kind of my plans for her new playroom. This is kind of like her playroom area. I did thrift this table, and then I also have a shelf that I will be laying on its side and setting up in this room to put some learning toys, learning activities in it. But without further ado, we need to go grocery shopping, so we will kind of take you guys along and show you the rest of our day, what that's like. Hey Ellie, you want to take the keys to the car? Here, go unlock the car. Is that yummy, Ellie? Your Larabar? To keep a happy baby, just have lots of snacks on hand. Is that yummy? We had a little hungry girl, so she's eating her broccoli and cheese. And then Mommy's gonna get the groceries put away, and I'll get my lunch too, and I'll get the rest of your lunch, okay? Gotta get all this put away. So I found this at Aldi, a steamable packet of quinoa mixture, and it has kale, garbanzo beans. Oh, I'm sorry, this one has spinach, garbanzo beans, red peppers, and onions. And that is what it looks like, so I'm excited to try it. I've never seen that at Aldi before. And then I have a little Caesar salad mix. And Ellie's eating her black beans, broccoli and cheese, clementine, and those are banana egg pancakes. She didn't want those at breakfast, but she seems to be enjoying them now, so we are just, oh, maybe not. She hounded them yesterday, so I thought she might enjoy those today. Sometimes it's hard feeding a picky toddler. What are you doing? Okay. Kiss, kiss. All right, so Ellie is in bed for her nap. I think I'm gonna go fold some laundry real quick and then work on some editing before she gets up again. Have a little grumpy girl on our hands. And we'll go outside and blow bubbles. Look outside. You wanna go outside? Okay, you. you guys have any tips on the after nap grumpies, let me know because they are real at our house. And now we have a little snack, grapes and cheese, and then a Larabar for me, cinnamon roll. So what we were doing is just this little activity where you can just take an egg carton, put some slits in the bottom, and color code them with markers. I already had colored popsicle sticks, but you can just take markers, color the bottom of the egg cartons, put slits in them, and that way your child can match up the colors. This is still a little bit advanced for Ellie, but we are working on it, and it gives her something to work on with fine motor skills. We are doing finger paint in the bathtub. I just blended some oats really fine and added some water and food coloring until it was a little bit of like kind of a paint consistency a little bit. And it doesn't taste very good if your baby eats it. So, but at least it's edible. You can also use the baby rice cereal. You have extra of that. I just didn't have any. And then just make a bubble bath. And that will clean it up. You're all nice and clean again. You smell good. Lazy shepherd's pie. So basically you just do ground turkey with salt, pepper, and garlic powder, and then you layer it in a little casserole dish and put mashed potatoes on top, which I got the Bob Evans mashed potatoes from Aldi, but you can definitely make your own mashed potatoes, and then just put some canned corn and cheese on top of that, and I'll show you how to make it. But that is what we are making for dinner tonight. I know it's probably not the most healthy thing, but it's easy, and this mama is pretty tired, so that is what we're gonna do. And there it is. That looks so good. I'll have that with some broccoli. good night, everybody. Say good night. Say night-night. Can you blow kisses? Oh, love. Mwah. So before my battery dies, Ellie is in bed. I'm gonna clean up the house a little bit, get my shower, relax, maybe fold some laundry that didn't get folded at nap time. But anyways, Nathan should be getting home soonish, maybe in like a couple hours. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys a glimpse of a day in our life, and I hope you guys enjoyed some of the activities that I had for a 1-year-old. I tried to switch up activities each day and just really stimulate Ellie, and I know sometimes she can get bored easy, so I just try to keep new activities coming. I love looking for them online. We also have a ways to go with Montessori at home, but this is just kind of like our start of Montessori at home. Just some things I have been implementing, some practical life activities, and then some of the thinking exercises. But anyways, if you guys really liked this video and want to see more of these, give this video a thumbs up. Also, let me know down below what videos you would like to see next, and I will see you next time. Love you guys, and so excited that we're nearing 100 subscribers. How crazy is that? But speaking of, when I do get to 100 subscribers, I want to do a pie in the face challenge with Nathan and do kind of like how well do you know your spouse type of challenge. So I think that would be really fun. But love you guys. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.